Here is another mini update, a mini life update. I am getting surgery next week on the 28th. I'm very excited. Hopefully I will be able to walk a little bit better after. And during surgery, I will definitely be able to update and edit some content, especially from my trip to Aruba. I was kind of preoccupied with having videos for my friend made before my social media because she got married and I wanted to get her videos out before. So I also had so many pictures and videos that I had to buy a new flash drive. So I had to wait for that, and now that I'm all organized, I'm so excited to push those out. So stay tuned for more content from Aruba, and I'll keep you guys updated.